Yesterday, I discussed with you. I said the first. I said the land resource, and the land resource I talked about. There is a 9 land use classification is there, and out of this 9 land use classification, first is I said that it is forest. Second one I said that there is a land that is put to non-agricultural use. Then we have seen there is a barren and non-culturable, barren and non-culturable land. Which are the 3 I said that? Forest, land put to non-agricultural use like building, roads, railway, rivers, lakes, canals. ये सारी land क्या हो गए? It is not under agricultural use. Land put to non-agricultural use. Then we have been able to see after the forest then barren and non-culturable land. What is the meaning of culturable? Cultivable. Means the barren and non-cultivable. In this one we have taken the word like mountains, deserts, ravines, gully eroded region, and then we have taken alkaline soil. These are coming under the what I said, barren and non-culturable wasteland. So but to some extent we can do some forest in the, I said that in non-culturable wasteland. Like I said in the mountains we can do, but there will be an exorbitant cost we have to give. In the Rajasthan region, we are also able to do in the desert by making a canal irrigation, and that is a little bit exorbitant cost it is required. Thereafter we can be able to do in the alkaline soil, we have to remove all the alkaline soil which cannot be reclaimed. Again in the ravine region of Chambal region, and then gully erosion of this Chambal and all, and along with in the Gujarat region by the Narmada, Tapi, Mahi, Sabarmati, these rivers, and then western part of what is in UP by the Yamuna, and then Bias river in I said in Punjab, and then one Karauli district in Rajasthan, Gambhir river. This region is gully, and but we can reclaim. कहीं न कहीं हम लोग इसको reclaim कर सकते हैं, but it is needed crores, thousands of crores of rupees to reclaim this land. So we have seen these are the barren and non-culturable land. Another that we have seen, like I said, that after that, these 3 land, after that, next 3 we have seen it is known as a potential land. And then first I said that permanent grassland and grazing land. Thereafter, we have seen this permanent grassland and grazing land in India. It is, you can be able to see somewhere in the Himachal Pradesh, somewhere little bit in Jammu and Kashmir, and here and there some, but largest amount of permanent grassland is in the Madhya Pradesh we have seen. Understood? I said that, but it is in a total 4% we have. It should be at least around 7%. And permanent grassland and grazing land that we have seen, I am just giving a glimpse. And the next after that it is, I said that it is talking about, miscellaneous tree crops and groves which is not under the net zone area. And then grasses are like elephant grasses are there, and some kind of, I said that bamboos are growing in the region. And then in UP, if it goes at the 1/3 of the land in the UP, you can be able to see under this kind of land. So we can again reclaim this land and convert into what is an agricultural land, understood? Cultivable land, understood? So तो उसको हम लोग therefore I said that it is in a potential land. Grassland को भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हमें as far as the environment is concerned we should not convert into. But and then we can convert tree crops को हटाकर वहाँ पे जो इधर उधर के, and some I said that biodiesel based plants that are also growing here and there, that is also in this tree crops. And then groves का मतलब small forest, GROVES. And thereafter I talked about the third one under the potential land. It is, yes, what is culturable wasteland? Culturable का मतलब cultivable है, but it is in a wasteland. And which are, I said that, waterlogging areas. And then I talked about waterlogging areas and then saline soil. Saline soil को हम लोग क्या है, cultivable है, we can make it, yes or not. And some land which are left by the ignorance of the people, the lots of landlords, they are not doing what is I said that cultivation in their land, leaving it simply without production. So it is a great loss to the India. So these are the three. I said that waterlogging, another I talked about saline soil, another I said that ignorance of what is people in India. These are the three I am talking about. It is causing what I said that it is causing. ये क्या करता है? Culturable. It is in a cultivable, but it is in a wasteland. It is in a cultivable, but it is what I said that wasteland. और इसी को three lands को, three types of land use को we can convert into. We are saying it is in a potential land. लेकिन we can convert into accept permanent grazing land, or we can convert into. आप बार बार पढ़ेंगे. Do not see like 9 classification. You should see like I said that in the answer if it is writing, you can what is going to add your answer, value to the answer. Understood? What is the significance of this land use? I said तो आप लोग कभी यूपी के बारे में बोलोगे तो यूपी में आप लोग एटलीस्ट यू कैन बी एबल टू टॉक अबाउट देयर इज एन आई सेड दैट वेरी लेस परमानेंट ग्रासिंग लैंड बट यू कैन टॉक अबाउट आई सेड दैट देयर इज एन विच tree crops 1/3 of the reason I said that it is covered by the I said that tree crops groups and then some miscellaneous trees. So these are the things we can we can take into what I said that into agricultural land and we can be able to say another. We have talked about cultivable wasteland along the river flood areas, along the canals. We have a lots of area which is in a water logging, and then I said that salinization is there, and through the physical reclamation we can be able to what make this. So that UP has to talk about, Bihar has to talk about, Bengal has to talk about, and where the canals are there which is causing what nearby reason water logging and salinization we can be able to reclaim. So ये तीनों potential land को you have to describe in your words, and when you have seen so many things in the when I used to take a class for Indian geography, Indian mapping, then आप लोग देखते होंगे I used to say so many things over there, and then you can correlate with this in which area what we should do. Understood? And जहाँ पे flood आएगा, it is sure that flood will cause what I said that water logging. जहाँ पे flood नजर आता है तो आसपास के region में water logging and salinization. और yesterday I talked about also that water logging area can be I said that reclaimed by in that region we should do tube well irrigation. उसी region में water table high है तो हम लोग tube well irrigation करेंगे तो water table will go down, and what is I said that water in the up it will start coming down. So water logging नहीं होगा. I have discussed with you. Salinization के लिए आप you know that I used to talk about when I'm doing biogeography. I said that the physical reclamation means I said it is done by proper irrigation management. The salt will start dissolving, and then we can also say that by adding gypsum and all we can remove the salinization. So these are the physical reclamation of this soil. But one thing is there, I said that in this cultivable wasteland it is I said that ignorance of the people, those who are having a large landlord, they are not doing. So there should be a land ownership act. यदि जो 10-15 साल अपने land पे जाए ही नहीं, तो that should be given to the other in the landless people. Something should be there. And then there should be a land में लोग again agriculture नहीं करते हैं. और मैंने कल भाई बात किया था कि there should be a strong, strict, I said that sealing act, land sealing act. क्योंकि यदि land आपका ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ है तो government should take and distribute into the landless people. That is, I said that in 1951, that when the India has got independence at the time, the Nehruji has added 9th schedule. Before the 1950, there was an 8th schedule. 9th schedule was added that it is known as validation of certain acts. और उसी के बाद तुरंत उन्होंने land clearing किया, and lots of जमींदार्स are there having a lot of land. उन्होंने तुरंत सबके लिए क्या किया, 50-50 जो भी है, एक some amount of land for the people of their survival, and rest of the land started distributing. और ये जानते थे कि लोग कोर्ट में आएंगे, therefore 9th शेड्यूल में ऐड कर दिया वैलिडेशन ऑफ सर्टेन एक्ट्स. वो सडनली वो जो बनाया वो क्या हो गया, वैलिड हो गया, एंड देन लैंड सीलिंग एक्ट. लेकिन आज भी लैंड सीलिंग एक्ट इट इज इन गेटिंग प्रॉब्लम. At that time there is a consolidation of land is also there. Here lands are here and there. That is also you should make it at one point. Instead of you cannot be able to, suppose you are putting 1,000 rupees in the 4-5 lands at different places and producing 10,000 rupees, तो आप एक वही 4-5 प्लेस वाले लैंड एक जगह पे हो तो you will have to put only 500 rupees and you will get what is 15,000. So it will be more productivity. I said that one land may you can put better, what is I said that is smaller land से बड़े land में you can do more. I said that commercialization and better what is an agriculture practice. So therefore there should be, I said that consolidation of the land. लेकिन but the farmers are getting afraid of it कि मुझे उठा के कहीं बेकार land में ना डाल दिया जाए. That is also issue. Some in the flood area में ना मुझे डाल दिया जाए. So these are the issues are also there. Therefore consolidation, land consolidation act is not also active. तो ये जो लैंड एंड देन देयर इज एन लैंड टेनेंसी टेन्यूर, आई सेड दैट ये रट जाना चाहिए. कौन कौन से मैंने बोला, लैंड ओनरशिप एंड देन आई सेड दैट लैंड सेलिंग एक्ट, देन लैंड कंसोलिडेशन एंड देन कंसोलिडेशन ऑफ लैंड एंड देन आई सेड दैट लैंड टेनेंसी. टेनेंसी का मतलब है कि देयर इज नो फिक्स्ड दैट टेन्यूर दैट द फार्मर्स विल डू. आई सेड फॉर हाउ मेनी इयर्स अंडर दिस लैंडलॉर्ड. लैंडलॉर्ड देके चला जाता है कि दे डू नॉट नो दैट कि हाउ मेनी इयर्स. तो हो सकता है दूसरे साल किसी और को दे दे, तो वो क्या करेगा, वो ह्यूमन बीइंग ही नो दैट कि 2 years के लिए मिला है, देन आई विल नॉट डू एनी काइंड ऑफ इंसेंटिव, इट डू नॉट डू इंक्रीजिंग द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ दिस लैंड. then what is this land can be improved. Then you can say that instead of paying instead of giving 10,000 rupees, this land can give 20,000 rupees when some fertilizer, some organic fertilizer, if it has been done. तो लेकिन यदि इसको 10-15 साल के लिए टेनेंसी बोल दिया जाए कि you are tenant for this land for this much of year and you will have to do it and मुझे अच्छे से देना होगा, there should be some clauses and all. ये हो रहा है तो clauses गवर्नमेंट को भी अकॉर्डिंगली चलना चाहिए. एंड देन 15 एंड देन वो ट्राई करेगा, इंसेंटिव होगा उसके लिए. 15 साल 10 साल होना, इसका मतलब वो बोलेगा कि मैं कम से कम अच्छा तो प्रोड्यूस करूं, मेरी तो प्रोडक्ट, मेरा तो लाइफ अच्छा चलेगा. देन ही विल स्टार्ट डूइंग इट इंसेंटिव. सो द लैंड टेनेंसी एक्ट शुड बी देयर आल्सो इन बेटर वे सो दैट इट विल बी. लैंड रेंट, देयर इज एन अनदर, आई सेड दैट लैंड का रेंट कितना है. समवेयर देयर इज एन, मोस्टली इन द यूपी एंड बिहार यू विल सी दैट देयर इज अदिया हाफ. But you know that earlier if in the राजा के समय भी देखा जाएगा तो there is a 1/3 is there and something. आज के डेट में तो लोग ज्यादा ले रहे हैं. There should be 1/4, there should be 1/5. आप लो लैंड के रेंट पे दे रहे हो ना, एक साल के लिए दे रहे हो, चाहे इन द खरीफ एंड द रवि, there should be something like this. On the basis of that we should take the rent. Understood? And the rest it is. So land rent system, land tenancy system, land consolidation, selling act, and then I said that there is a land ownership act, and all these are, there should be, government has been formed but it is not in the implementation, therefore it is a great loss. और वो हमारा कल्चरेबल वेस्टलैंड में ignorance of the people, जो land ownership act is very much important, land tenancy is very much important. और लोगों को land ceiling देना चाहिए, यदि नहीं करने जा रहे हैं तो उनके ऊपर लगा देना चाहिए. The government should be very much strict. Why you are wasting this land, and this land can give the lots of production and can be what is removing the poverty in India. So there is an, I said that this kind of should be there. So we have seen this, these are the, which are the three potential land we have been able to see. First I said that permanent grazing land. Second one I have seen as second one miscellaneous trees, crops, groups which are not in the net zone area, and then I said culturable wasteland. After that three types, three हमने देखा, three तो बेकार हैं, मतलब वहाँ पे करना ही नहीं है. Forest, then another I said that it is a forest के बाद कौन सा, लैंड पुट टू नॉन एग्रीकल्चरल यूज. उसको हम लोग ला ही नहीं सकते यदि वहां पे बिल्डिंग बन गए, रोड बन गए, रिवर्स है, लेक्स है, तो दैन. एंड देन थर्ड वन आई सेड दैट बैरन एंड आई सेड दैट नॉन कल्चरेबल लैंड, दैट इज एन, आई सेड दैट माउंटेन्स, डेजर्ट्स एंड ऑल. तो ये तीनों पे तो नहीं किया जा सकता, लेकिन थर्ड वन पे नॉन कल्चरेबल पे थोड़ा सा माउंटेन डेजर्ट्स पे एग्जॉर्बिटेंट कॉस्ट के साथ किया जा सकता है. फिर उसके बाद थ्री वी हैव सीन पोटेंशियल लैंड. नाउ नंबर थ्री I said that arable land, and in the arable land we have seen that what is in a fallow land other than current fallow land. Fallow land मतलब जो 5 साल के लिए, 2 से 5 साल के लिए 2 to 5 years land is not under the cultivation, it has been left for, I said that regaining the fertility, that is known as a fallow land 2 to 5 years. और इसमें क्या करना चाहिए to improve it? I said that we should do organic farming, yes or not, so that instead of 2 to 5 years we should live, we should live what is in a, I said that less years, and try to work on increasing the quality of that soil more and more and more. Understood? And accordingly we should do some kind of, what I said that organic farming का मतलब होता है, what is the meaning of organic farming? What is the meaning of organic farming? Yes? वेरी गुड, लगे रहो। ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग दैट इज यू नो दैट जो आप लोगों ने कहा वो तो होता है, इट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इज इन क्रॉप रोटेशन, अंडरस्टूड इट, द क्रॉप रोटेशन and then using organic fertilizer, organic pesticide, organic insecticide, and there is following the land. These all are known as what? Organic farming. So crop rotation is a method of what? In which we can regain the fertility of the soil naturally. It is known as I said that what is an organic farming. Another, and वो plants ही उसमें सेव करता है. तो organic farming का मतलब आप लोग केवल कहाँ तक लिमिटेड रहते हैं? That is organic pesticide, organic fertilizer.